Demand for the coronavirus vaccine is soaring as the state scrambles to fill the supply. The positivity rate has dropped below 8%, and another 1,900 people tested positive within the last 36 hours. Kelsey Kushner has more from local leaders.
As coronavirus continues to hold a tight grip on Maryland, many are scrambling to get in line for the vaccine.
I do need to receive it as soon as possible.
But the state is pushing for patience. As of Monday, 1.5 million people can now get their first shot as part of the Phase 1B of the state's vaccination plan. That includes government workers, teachers, and people 75 and older. But Governor Hogan says right now the state only has 500,000 doses on hand, and it's not enough to cover everyone.
Certainly that's not enough, but we get about 70,000 every week. We also have the incoming president saying he's going to try to get 55 million more out into the state.
The vaccine requires 2 doses, bringing the total number of needed vaccines to 3 million. That means there's a shortfall of 2.5 million. In Howard County, officials say they've requested more than 14,000 doses, but the county executive says they've received only half of that. And by Tuesday, they'll have gone through 100% of its vaccine allocation.
When Howard County receives more vaccine, we get shots in arms immediately.
In Baltimore County, many say they've already signed up for an appointment online.
We filled out the forms and we have an appointment for tomorrow.
I submitted it and I'm just now waiting for a return call.
The county executive and health officer are asking people to pre-register for their vaccine, even if you aren't currently eligible. This allows the county to make sure no vaccines are wasted.
The issue is, are we going to get the second one? I think there's got to be more communication on this.
And since the online application was launched in Baltimore County on Friday, officials say they have received over 72,000 applicants. Reporting in Baltimore City, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.
6:39 now. The Baltimore City Council is taking another step to put money back into the pockets of small businesses. They want to put a cap on fees charged by popular food delivery apps. Services like DoorDash and Grubhub take commission from restaurants that can be as high as 30%. But under a bill just passed by a council committee, apps would not be allowed to collect more than 15% in fees. It still has to pass the full council.